Hello everyone, my name is Zhao Huang and I work with my team members Yanqun Xu and Lu Yu as Team XYH. This is our Intermediate Milestone Tools presentation for CS6460 Spring 2019. Our team's project is a web application named Scheduler for online education. It's a novel tool that can help with time management, capability exploration, and collaboration to let students organize daily plans, tasks, and projects in a more effective way. When using Scheduler, users can not only work as an individual, but also cooperate with other users as a group member. When working as an individual, they can create personal tasks for themselves and do addition or deletion for each task. When working as a group member, they can choose to create a new group or join a group created by someone else. Besides, they can create group tasks for the group or choose tasks created by other group members, which can let people in the same group collaborate with each other. Today, I'm going to show you the 6 important features of our application, and they are: sign up a new account, log into the app, create a new group, join a group, choose a group and go to this group's main page, and go to the user's personal page. Now let's go to the application's homepage and start our first step, sign up an account. We click Sign Up button, and now we see the Sign Up page. This page shows all the fields we need to enter in order to create an account. If you already have an account, go to the bottom and click Login. We can see the login page. If you are not a member, click Sign Up, go back to the Sign Up page. Among these fields, some of them are optional, like middle name, while other fields are required. If we don't enter information or use character formats for these required fields, the application will give us prompt messages and the sign up button won't work. And now we can see the messages like first name is required, last name is required, and so on. Here I use the actress Lucy Liu's name as an example, because she's my favorite actress. I enter Lucy for first name, Liu for last name. Although she has the middle name, I'll leave it blank here to show you that the middle name field is optional. lucyliu@gmail.com for the email address. Gender, female. Birthday is 1968. December 2nd. Highest education, bachelor's degree, industry arts. I'll use Lucy Liu for the username, 123456 for the password, and click Sign Up. Now we can see the main page of the application, which means we've successfully created an account. In order to validate, I'll click Sign Out and go to Login. Now we can see the login page. It has 2 fields, username and password. Both of them are required. If we don't enter any information and click Login, the application will say username is required, password is required. And if we use wrong username or wrong password, the application will say invalid username, invalid password. We use Lucy Liu, or we use 123456. The application will still say invalid username, invalid password. It will not say which one is invalid in order to prevent other people from guessing the correct username or password. Here I use Lucy Liu and log in. Now we can see the main page of the application, which means we log in successfully. Here I'll show you another feature while we sign up a new account. We click Sign Out and go to Sign Up page again. Here we'll use Lucy Liu. And birthday, use either date. Highest education, industry. Here we'll try to use Lucy Liu as the username. Let's see what will happen. The application says username already exists, which means you have to use a different username to sign up the account. And this is a good way to make sure the username is unique.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lu Yu. Today, I'm going to show you a quick demo for groups feature in our scheduler application. As you know, scheduler could help you get organized either as an individual or as a group member. Once you are on the group page, you can see a jumbotron, and below that, you can see a list of groups which you already joined. You can look at the details of each group by clicking the Join button here, and this will redirect you to a page that includes all the group tasks. But what you can do with a new group you never joined? Here are two options. First of all, you can create a new group on your own by clicking the Create a New Group button here. Of course, you can be a leader. Then, you will be redirected to a new page showing a form, and you can create a new group here. The basic information for a group includes a group name, group password, and the group description. And for better visualization, you are also allowed to enter a group picture here by pasting your picture URL. Now, let's do a quick demo. I'm getting a new group called New Group and enter a password for that. I paste my group picture URL and get some description. If something was wrong, say a duplicate group name you made, or you forgot to enter the group name, group password, and you click Submit, you probably will end up in some error message showing here, group password is required. And the size must be between 10 to 30 characters. So let's just do a quick correction. And then click Submit. Here, a new group will be created successfully, and you will be redirected to the main group page, and you will see your new group was there. This is how you can create a new group on your own. But what if you want to join a group that was created by someone else? Here is an option. You can just click the second button in the jumbotron to join a new group. Before you are typing, you have to get the group name or group password from one of the group members. Of course, you are unable to join any group with a wrong group name and the group password, so be careful when you are typing. Now let's just do a quick demo. I remember I have a group name called Someone Like Me, and I got a password from someone else. If everything's right, I should successfully get this group here. I will be redirected to the group main group page, and you can see the group I just joined is here. Now let's look at our database in the backend. Remember, you just create a group called new group, and here is information about the group. It has a group ID 55 with all the information as you entered. Now let's just take a break, and my team member Yanqun will show you more details about the group tasks.
Hello everyone, this is Yanqun Xu. Here is our task scheduler application. My teammate Nu and Zhao have introduced the login registration functionality and the group functionality. Here, I will introduce the task functionality. Okay, so let me log in first. Okay, log in. And once I log in, I will see my personal page. So in this personal page, I can create a new task by clicking this button. And I can also check all the tasks I created. And now you can see, so this task is about learning React. And this one is about learning Redux. Okay, this type here. And this one is about learning cooking. And you can also check the details. So it says you must finish this task before some deadline, and it is about online learning. And it will show you the status. If it's done, then you will see a green done button. If it's done, you cannot do editing, and also you cannot do deleting. But if it's in progress, you will see some other things. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let's create a new task. Before you create a new task, let me try something. Okay, suppose I do not input anything here. Let me submit it, and you will see all the error message. It says you must input something for this task description, and you must give a deadline, and you must give the estimated hours. But since website is not optional, it's not required, so you don't have to input it. And you can choose a tag here. Okay, so this one, okay, just a random give something. And for this one, suppose I just give this. And estimate hours must be a number. Let me try again. Now you can say, okay, the task description is fine, but for deadline, it must be this format, and for estimated hours there must be a number. Okay, let me create a new one. A real task, long chess deadline. Okay, give this time and hours 20. Google.com about game. Submit it. So once I submit it, you can see this task is showing up here, and you can check the details. So this is the deadline I just gave, and it is about a game, and it is in progress. So you can see the corner is different from this one, and you can do editing. You can delete this task. Okay, so let me do edit first. If I just added this one into online learning, you're supposed to see something here. It must be changing. Okay, let me submit it. And now you can see it is about online learning. Okay, so let me change the progress. I can change it to done. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so you can see now it's done. Okay, I will create a new task again. Then I can show you the deleting function. Learning depths. Okay, learning Redux. And time this one 5 hours. Google.com online learning. Submit. So once I submit it, so this task will show up here, and details here, in progress. You can add them. You can also delete it. Once I delete it, it will not show up here. So let me delete it. Now you can see it's gone, and we can check the backend. We can check the database. And so you can see the last one is a lot the things I just input, right? So let me redux it, right? Okay. So then let's go to the group page. Okay, so this is our group page. So once you just choose a group, then you will see such a page. And in this group page, you can create a new task. And this new task is belonging to this group. So all the group tasks will show up here. No matter it is requested or not requested, it will show up here. Anybody in this group can see the tasks, all the tasks in this group. If you request this task, then the requested task will show up here. So this part, it is a task you just requested, and it's only belong to you, and nobody else can request this task anymore. Let me create a new task. Okay, that's the same functionality as before. So if you don't do anything, you will see the error message. And then let me create one. Okay, finish 6460 project security part. Okay, deadline 2 days, 20 hours. Website. Okay, that's not. Let's just skip one. Okay, online only. That's submitted. And once you submit it, you can see this task will show up here. So anybody in this group can see this task, and anybody can request it. But once I request it, nobody else in this group can request this task. And you can check the details, and then you can make decisions, see if you can finish this task before this deadline. And then I think I can, so I will just request this task. And you will see the task is over here, and you can check the details. You can do editing, and it's now in progress. Okay, so let me see. I have finished this task, and I think I need 2 more days. Okay, still in progress. Just change the deadline, submit it. So it is still in progress, and the deadline has been changed. Now I said, okay, today is 5/8. I will just say it's done, submit it. Now it is done. We cannot do any editing. So this is our task functionality in group. And we have more things coming in the near future. Okay, so see you. Thank you so much.